Hey guys, if you had a rental Skoda Enyaq or are selling your car and you want to delete your profile data from the car, just go here into the menu and then under users, here we see my profile John, then we go on the settings and here we have delete active user. So it says this is only possible when ignition is switched on, so I'll press on the brake pedal and I think this kind of switches the ignition on. I have never used the start stop button here, so let's try again. You are currently the primary user of the vehicle. All user accounts will be removed if you delete your user account in this vehicle. Reset your infotainment system to factory settings to do so. So let's go to factory settings. All settings will be reset. This may take a few minutes. Please leave the ignition and infotainment system switched on during this time. All user data for this vehicle will be deleted, after which time the mobile online services will no longer be available. Please note that your user account will also be deleted from the vehicle. You can find information about your data protection under legal. Okay. It seems something is happening, but it takes a while. Okay, now it says, I think now it's returned to factory settings. Didn't really confirm it, but this is the welcome screen. So if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next one.